All right, so hey everybody, I'm Moon. Let me. Oh yeah, I'm Moon, learning JavaScript. So today is the day one of my journey. Yeah, I'm already learned some of the concepts. So I'm using MDN docs and JavaScript.info. So far I have learned introduction, fundamentals, code quality, basics. Object basics. Let me quickly put this on D&D. All right, so yeah, so we can be more focused on. So already I go to the object. So I'm in data types. Strings already covered. So I'm gonna go through them one by one. Once I'm done with all, like kind of revision, or maybe use AI to kind of help me warm up or stuff like that. All right. So today is our arrays. So to kind of learn them in a detailed way, we're gonna use MDN docs with the help of AI. Because sometimes these docs kind of complicated for me, so I just ask AI to help me understand the concept. I'm not doing coding, I'm just kind of learning right now. So let me open up my VS Code on the sidebar. This is my playground, you can see. On the right side you can see. So yeah, it's like kind of my practice and all the stuff I do, experiments and learning. Yeah, like conditions and everything right here. So today's alright, so let's begin. Array subject. Okay. Oh, sorry, I forgot to open my webcam. So where's my? Let me see my webcam first. Webcam right there. That's me. Let me open up the light so you guys can see me better. Everybody. So yeah, it's kind of cold in here, so where can I put this light? Right here. All right. Sorry for the background. You can see the message. I'm also a freelancer working as freelance, so yeah. All right. So let's get back. JavaScript arrays are not static arrays, so my element cannot be answered. Okay. Too much summary, like make me kind of go crazy. I'm not really a fan of reading too much summary, so we gotta go for JavaScript. Oh yeah, that look good. Okay. So they kind of like objects. Contribute needed. 1, 2, 3. To your JavaScript because Alright, so we can create array with this too, and like that. Error, a new array that doesn't work. Okay, let me try that thing. I already tried here, but I'm just kind of starting with new. We're gonna create array of fruits. We're gonna have apple, orange, and lastly we're gonna have mango. So if we can log fruits, let me go live on this. Alright, so yeah, we can see what is this error coming? No, okay. So we have 3 areas. Okay, yeah. So as I read here, the first element start from 0 index, like the kind of like object. So yeah, objects 1 and mango total length will be 3. All right. So if I want to get one element, so I can carry using 0 maybe. Apple. But if I want to get 2, if I try 2 buttons, what? Yeah, I mean we cannot do that. Okay, we're gonna continue, and then we're gonna come back to this thing. So yeah, for now, according to this, we can change. We can replace an element. For example, I want to replace fruits with I would say lemon, same like the example on the website. If I got print 2 now, what will lemon? All right. So I can use that too. I guess we could here. We replace an element this or add a new to the element. Okay. The total count of the elements. Total counts of the elements in array length. We can overrun that too. I mean, we can try to tell how many items in the array using the length property. Also use that to show. Elements of any type, for instance. Mix of values. Apple, John. Oh, that means we can add any kind of value, like can be object, function, or anything in this stuff. One and then show its name. Oh yeah. Oh, like that. So if we have objects, so you can show all their key values using this value. All right. Just let me know, check, man. Makes sense. Get the last elements with add. How we use that? Yeah, native values. In JavaScript, it won't work. It will be undefined. So it is identically. We calculate the last element. Wait, so So before we use -1, but with the add property, if we use same thing, so it's gonna return. Let me try, huh? How about we try add -1. All right. So yeah, we having. I copy a link for. All right, same as fruits. So yeah, I mean, I guess it's a new yeah, there's a new feature because old browser and you need polyfill is kind of tool which needs I mean you need to have it on your old browser so you can run the latest ES6 JavaScript I mean the stuff. I don't really know about this, but yeah, makes sense. But we can use add. It's pretty easy and shorter than the length one. Okay, I understand. We can play the code here too. Actually same as okay, yeah, the most important thing and kind of confusing me. Q is one of the most common words which means hey everybody. I'm just learning JavaScript. Yeah. The reason for this live stream is like a long story because I started learning like 3 months ago. I know the basic level before, but I want to share my journey for my like kind of portfolio thing in future, you know. And the other thing is like it make me motivated, and you know, like I'm gonna know like I have to do that today. So I won't be lazy like, oh, I can do that tomorrow. I just want to force, not gonna force, like I want to feel motivated so I can share my journey so people know what I'm doing, all this stuff. If somebody's learning too, they can come here, learn with me. Yeah, kind of like that. Yeah, it's just at midnight I do that because in the daytime I cannot learn because there's a lot of noise in my house. I live in a big family, so. Okay, good. Let's get back. So there's a methods. Those are most important and the core thing about JavaScript before moving to React. It's one of the most common. Okay, shift data first element from the beginning. Shift first element, push last. Oh, okay. Takes an element to then. So it's kind of confusing me. Let's write it down. So what's confusing me is just like, now we can write here. How about that? Let me just copy it and paste it so I remember. Let me shut it down. So we have push, adds, and then we have push. It's already. Oh, how that one confusing me. It's already described. Okay, makes sense. Oh. And there's no project. It's like I'm learning JavaScript actually. I work on WordPress. So I'm learning with the help of AI. Yeah. So today I'm learning arrays. I'm not doing any project. It's just, yeah. No, I don't know. I'm a beginner in JavaScript, so maybe AI can help. I can do that by using AI. But it's better to learn stuff for my own rather than using AI. That's what I'm doing. I don't want to depend on AI. I want to build my own AI. Hope so. After I learn this stuff. So after JavaScript, I'm planning to go for Python. So I can do some automation and AI stuff. Look, gum loop? What is gum loop? I don't understand. So Bob is taking out the stuff. Best AI? Alright, I'll take it out, but for now I'm using Claude and GPT, the free version of Claude. I don't pay for AIs for now, maybe in future. Take an element from n. Okay, makes sense. So if we try same thing here. Oh, it's working. Mango. Shift get element from the beginning. Alright, let's try it. Apple. What if we use objects? Mix array. Let me do an experiment. I don't know, but this is first element. Makes sense. No, that's kind of big. First, all right. So in here we can use object. So we can use what object? User. Moon, my name. And what if we use two values? And we can use password, pwd, password 2. And then we can use, oh yeah, we can restructure them to make it like a little cleaner. It's a good practice as a beginner. All right, so let's do a function. Say hi. So log Hey, hi, hello world. All right, so we have simple arrays, or we can do number two, I mean string array. And what if we do boolean? Kind of experiment, you know. So we are getting error. I love errors. Oh yeah, my bad. Numbers. Oh, that's one. Okay. So we can console log force. First value. Oh, no, my bad. No. Oh, we took the mix array. No, he had that thing here about somewhere here. Oh, okay. I forgot the syntax. My bad. Okay, then there's no user. Okay. Oh, that's a function. I'm gonna call a function. Call it like that. Okay, that makes sense. All right, let's go. Shift push. Add. Oh, it's kind of cold in here. I'm sleepy. But I gotta learn this stuff, man. What is going on here? No, why is this? Technically, we can do this. First, empty array. Okay, first the index is equal to 5. Sign the property with index. Ah, okay. That's creating property with the creating property name age and assigning the value 25. Oh, okay. So we are at loops, the most confusing thing about JavaScript. I mean, especially for me, I don't know, like this thing made me crazy. One of those ways to cycle to the for loop. Okay. I don't even read about that. This is how we cycle through all the products. Anyways, that fruit or fruits. I'm sorry. just gonna cycle through all the items in the room. Arrays are like objects, so we can use for in also. Okay, cool. That was a bad approach problem with the for and loop, but it not only my was. They are so called array like objects in the browser and the localized arrays. Let me mute this. Wait, before. Ten times slower. Of course, it's still very fast, but speed up only matters bottlenecks. Okay. So we gotta use for in. Hold it up. For. We can use for out too. Bah, much better. Better than the let in. What? Okay. So single element with the larger index can keep a big length. Okay, so that means this only consists of 123 and rest of the indexes are empty. Duh, that doesn't make sense. Anyways, that's JavaScript. Okay, if we include manual, I think this will happen. If we create it, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, if okay. Back 25 back. Okay. So we can modify the length of the array. Okay. So simply clear is okay. So if we want to clear the length or like clear the array, like for I guess like like if we type something in like input of something like and we clear press the clear button and it's clear all the text. So it's kind of like that. It's like it's like if we have one index in one big box. I'm thinking too much. Anyways, let's think about this only. New array. This is one more syntax. Create an array. Let's new array. Apple beer. Good to see you. Oh, so we can create a new array? First of all, let me inactive code. That doesn't make sense. Multi-dimensional. Okay. All right. So I'm kind of sleepy and it's gonna, yeah. So we're gonna try tomorrow. We will do the summary. Oh, sorry, that task. Today's our learning. So I don't want to take too much on my head. So yeah, gotta go. But yeah, tomorrow we will be doing these exercises, and then we will be switching to the fucking, what is that? Arrays method. Oh yeah, we're gonna go for arrays method tomorrow. Alright guys, see you soon. Have a good day.